In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make this simple and easy cute hairstyle for my baby girl. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to share reactions. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and hit on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Today I'm going to make a very simple and easy hairstyle for my daughter. Okay, what I'm doing right now, I'm using my DIY hair oil to massage her scalp. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link of this DIY oil in my description box so that you can go and check it out. Okay, I'm going to use the oil to massage her scalp. Then I will use my Cantu shea butter hair cream to rub her hair also. After doing that, I'm going to be using this chai and jam hair cream to rub her hair. Then I will parting all the hair. Then I will use a rubber band to hold it up. Then I will braid. Okay, I'm just trying to part her hair. Then I'm going to use a rubber band. I'm going to be using this rubber band. Then I will do the same to every part of her hair. Then after doing that, then I will take a little section of the hair, then I will braid her hair. The color of extension I'm using color 33. I'm using color 33 expression hair. Then I will braid every part of her hair. Keep watching as I do this, guys. Keep watching. After braiding her hair, I'm going to use some beads to decorate the hair. I'm just going to put some beads. Then I will use a rubber band to secure it. I use a rubber band to secure it so that they will come off. I'm going to do the same with the rest part of the hair. Then I'll also use some white hair accessory to wrap the top of the hair. She really loved her hair. She was so happy when I was done. This hairstyle is very easy, it's very simple to make. I just want to say thank you so much once again everyone for watching my video. I really appreciate the love. If you are new here, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, support your girl, put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the hair. She really loves her hair. She was so happy. That's it guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hit that like button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.